Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Fun Friday. Yes, sir. We got only two unicorn for today. Today, the market is a bit slow, guys. The market is taking a bit of siesta. AMST and AFMD, both of them looking all right. The rest are sleeping. We got Virgin Galactic is pulling back after the huge earnings yesterday. Yeah, we got huge earnings for Virgin Galactic. Today I will watch for another jump from the 410. Now it's pulling back down toward the support, the 367. We got ACHR still holding the gains. We have a bit of support here over the 1258. IXHL, the same, reversing after the earnings. We have a huge pullback down. ASST, we did chart analysis update yesterday. We've broken from this bearish channel and now it's reversing up. We got CEP trying to squeeze as well. DEVS, the same. UNH jumped 50% after the bad earnings a few days ago. Now it's getting near a bottom. And KLTO pumped and dumped down because got near the resistance. So how everybody doing, guys? We've got a huge day today. AMST started to move. Watch out, AMST, guys, started to move from the bottom, $3.60. We might have a test for this resistance right now around the 416. AMST, guys, is jumping. AMST is currently jumping and breakout before the market open. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget to hit the like. Jean, good morning, my brother. Prophet asked about TOPW up on the news. I will check it right now. Alexander, one of our new hunters. Alexander the Great. How you doing, man? Alexander from Canada. Good morning, everybody. Let's go, Anderson. Top W. We got top W. Let's check this one out. Top W, no good for me here. No good for now. Yeah, it's getting near a major resistance. Already hit it around the 14. It would be great if we have a dip for top W. For now, it's kind of overextended for me. We got the test for the resistance 416, guys, or around the 413, yes. So this one, guys, we have a jump, but got shorted around the resistance. It looked really great. It looked really great for a nice jump at the market open with AFMD. Those the top for today. The market is kind of doing all right, especially for SMCI from yesterday. We're getting back some ground. Yesterday, we got a nice reversal from this bottom. Now it's currently 8% up. Tesla, the same, still holding the gain from yesterday. NVIDIA is breaking out from the resistance. Today, we might have a huge day for NVIDIA because now we're testing the resistant breakout. Now the current resistance is turned toward the 141. We might test it today. So overall, NVIDIA looking fantastic. So far, so good. We got a request. Okay, we got George ask about NVAX. If you hear me, brother, you ask about this stock, NVNX and Nivax and Rights. For Nivax, we have the 650 as a resistance. So we got profit taken around the 7 and 750 and almost the 8820. This is for NVAX if it broke for today. For Riot, so we've got a resistance around the 907, profit taken 960, and the 1040 support is over the 766, and the bottom should be over the $7. Ahmed asked about W, already covered it. We got caps, bone, I will check them out. Wanna be trader or wanna be wizard, if you want to have access to the live streaming that we do daily before this live streaming, you could upgrade to the king level to have access to the live streaming plus the swing trade that we do almost daily. So let us check again. Yes, AMST, yes, tested the resistance and pulled back. Now let's check. Yeah, CAPS and bone. For CAPS, we got support for it over the $2.80. We got resistance around the $3.36 and the $4. It pulled back a lot, so it's a bit dangerous. It pushed back today in the pre-market and pulled back a lot. For bone, the same jumped and now is hitting a major resistance. That's why we pulled back. Top target, for my opinion, we need to break the 9 cent to go toward this resistance around the 11 cent. So the 11 cent is the target after we break the 9 for bone. Bone have support currently over the 68, 068. So 11.37. And resistance is right now around the 9. But yeah, AMST is still number one. ZKIN, I will keep it. Virgin Galactic, guys, already jumped yesterday. After the earnings. Now it's pulling back, so it's a bit dangerous. ACHR, IXHL, we got ASST, CEB, DEVS. Top W, as we said, guys, need to break the 14 to go toward the 15 and beyond, but I don't like it that much. Click. Need to break the current resistance around the 62 to squeeze. TNXB, nope. The rest is on the waiting list. HWH, not good. GameStop, still looking great. Bull, we started to move, guys, for Bull, but need to break the 13 to squeeze up almost the $14. Yes, the $14 to squeeze up again. But the main event is AMST, which currently trying to break the 413. Everybody. George, you are welcome. Prophet, thank you, man. Thank you for your honest compliment and opinion, brother. Really appreciate it. And thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being here and support the channel. Even with the like, with sharing your knowledge, this is mean a lot to me, brother. That's why I keep doing what I'm doing, guys. Of course, to make money, and the same time is to share our knowledge, help each other, and make our community bigger, and of course, help each other out. This is why we do what we do. Thank you, man. It's good to take a bit step back and be grateful and share some love and of course being honest with each other. Because in the end of the day, guys, building the community and trading with each other is the the best gift or the best fruits of whatever we do right now. It's really good, guys. It's precious. It's better than even money. Okay, I have to stop before I start crying. Okay, so we got some stocks here. Okay. Let us break down the stocks that been requested here. We got Norma asked about TSL. I think I thought that you asked about Tesla, but now when I check it again, is TSLL. SMCI from DT 981. I don't know, is that code? I think this is a code for something. Hopefully it's not your passcode. It would be really funny to put your name on YouTube as a passcode for everything. Anyway, SMCI rally on the way. Yes, we'll see a rally if we broke the current resistance around the 47. Let me just check. TSLL, we've got TSLL yesterday, 2% down, now 2% up. I think, yeah, this one is not unicorn. This is, yeah, a swing trade. It's getting near the all-time high. Or no, it's getting near a major resistance, from my opinion, around the $17. Started to recover from the $6. So this one have a target for this month around the 21 and the 17 first. And the current buyer is still holding this price over the 11. So the 11 should be the target to hold. SMCI, guys, looking fantastic right now, 4% and doing much better for today. Today, guys, we need to break the 47. Clear and simple. If we clear this resistance for today, we have the 50, and from there, we're going to go toward the 55 or the 57. If we didn't, we're going to go back to test the 41 and the 37 as a bad case scenario. Tesla doing all right as well. NVIDIA, fantastic. Yeah, we have a new high today. We got one of the stocks that jumped yesterday down. AMAT, guys. I'm watching this one because we got good earnings, but the price pulled back. There's a chance for a reversal from this bottom, which is over the 163. Because if we held here, we're gonna go up again toward the green side. The 170, from my opinion, is the resistant now to break for AMAT, one of the semiconductor that have huge potential upside up if we still holding this trend, because as you can see here, the trend is been holding really tightly over this white line. We got a nice test in the pre-market and the price start to reverse. I expect another pump during the market open to test the 170. And if we broke his mean, this one will go on the green side, like what happened to Walmart yesterday after we have a huge pullback down after the earnings and we reverse back up. So let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like and subscribe. Watch out, guys. AMST is testing the resistance twice. This is the breakout at the market open. We might have this breakout right at the market open. So keep your eyes closed. Boom, we have a breakout here. Early breakout before the market open. So for now, I expect the current resistance that we might test around the 10 cent exactly. Yeah, 10 cent is the current resistance, guys, for bone. We got CAPS the same, could be good at the market open, and AFMD is testing the support now around the 18. The rest, it is a bit slow in action, so I'm gonna keep AMST, bone, and CAPS and AFMD as number one stocks to trade for today. Yeah, bone is moving. Ahmed said bone is moving. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's get right to it. DT98 was taken, so I had to put one. Oh man, I know. I know. I remember back then it was really easy to find your name. Right now, if you want your name, you have to put like 4 digits after your name. If your name is Raphael, is game over. You can't take it. This name is already it's been taken since 10 years ago. But I have a trick, guys. If your name is not in English, if you're Arabic, is even easier. You can just like write Arabic word, but in English. This is impossible to find some English name like in Arabic. So you don't translate the name from Arabic to English, but you just keep the same, but just put it in English words. I think this is a trick is good if you're not English, native English. If you are Spanish, Chinese, you can do that. It would be really easy to find your name. It's a trick. It's better than adding number, you know? You are welcome. Yeah, Walmart was really great reversal yesterday. So, guys, we've got a few minutes left. Let us double check for the market if we got something moving. AFMD, MST, IXHL. So, yeah, the market is a bit slow. We got a few stocks jumping. INZW, AMST, CAPS. Okay, we got INZY, healthcare sector, CAPS, this one, VMGL, healthcare sector as well, TSSI. Okay, we got four. Let's double check if the technical looking all right for them or not. Okay, this one INZWY I think is offering. VMGL no good. Pump and dump. TSSI no good. And yeah, we got the same AMST, BONG, CAPS, and AFMD. Those the top guys. The rest I don't like that much. Bull, yeah, we already discussed bull. Yeah, jumping, but still below the resistance, the $14. So I expect a pullback around the 14. Current support now is around the 1284. Once the market open, we might go at least just below the 14, around the 1380. This is the current resistance and profit taking if you already entered. Pool guys, if you don't know, this one stock, it jumped really crazy back then here from the $10 until almost the $100, then squeezed down. Now it's getting near down again toward the bottom, the $10. So if we went over the 14th for today, we might trigger a squeeze. Yes, sir. This one could be good. So bull, I'm gonna keep it on the main list just in case if we did something. The same for click, guys. It might click again and squeeze up over the 62. So I'm gonna put it on the main list. So those the top stocks that could be good for today. Okay, ASST is still okay. DEVS, CEP. Need to narrow down the list because it's a bit long. Anyway, so those the top stocks for now. What if your name is Booba? Come on, who named himself Booba? Unless your father is Elon Musk, I think you will not have those kind of names. I think the best thing is to name like Elon Musk right now name his kids unusual names by taking some like chemical compound and add it with other stuff. So it would be hard to find someone like you exactly. He think outside the box, man. I like this guy because he tried to be different. Not he trying to be different because he's different. He's not human, technically. I think his DNA changed is not the same sequence as a human because the different DNA between gorilla, monkeys, and us is just 2% difference. For Elon Musk, I think is almost 100% difference. Or at least 3%. For us, it's 2%. Normal human beings are 2% different from monkeys. Yeah, man, I tried to think differently lately, and it's really hard, guys. It's really hard to think differently or to try to think outside the box. You know why it's hard? Because you have to think and use your brain capacity to the full in order to question things, you know? Like there's a lot of stuff we do it without thinking, you know? A lot of stuff, like really crazy stuff. Oh man, who is this guy? American Rubber, of course. Anyway, guys, so we've got 3 minutes left. So, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Remember, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Remember, we always go live every freaking day. So hit the like, subscribe, bring your family, bring your kids, and let's get right to it. And early hunt, guys, always on our Discord and Patreon. Every day we discuss the market together, hunt together, have a better entry and exit for many stocks every day. So here's the link, guys. If you're wondering how to join, let me know. This is the link to our Patreon and Discord. And let's get right to it, guys. DMS DMZ just ask ChatGTP. Guys, the trick is how to ask the question. We already have Google. It's not ChatGTP, but usually, if you don't know what you're looking for, if you don't know to ask the right question, you can't find anything. Of course, right now we have the answer for everything, but the problem is a lot of people can't ask the question because a lot of people have the mindset of problem, you know. They always think about the problem, not the solution. They have the problem like a wall in their head. If they want to play football, they say, "Oh, I have like knees, I can't train." I have a problem with my knees. You know, if I told them like to do trading, no, I don't have money. If I told them like do this, I don't have phone. Like problem, create problem. So the idea here is not uh, just ask GTB, but the problem is we don't know what we ask. This is the problem here. But the solution is just ask question like a baby. Just go back in time and ask yourself, what should I ask or what should I do if I were a baby? Because baby know how to ask question, crazy question. So for now, we got AMST, we got Bone, we got CABS. Oh man, CABS I don't like now, man. I'm gonna take it from the list. AFMD broke this first support, so I'm gonna lower the. Okay, we have a resistance for AFMD around the 20. So this one should be a maybe. So guys, the market is about to open in 14 seconds. Let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way, and thank you for the support, guys. Today is Friday. Let's us have some money. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open in any second. Let's see AMAT jumping nicely. Holy baloney. AMAT is pumping like crazy here. Let's see. Of course, it's gonna go down. AMST, nothing. This one, nothing. No reaction, nothing, man. Okay, if we held here, will be great over the 165.84 for a reversal up. Oh God, it's not good anymore. I think AMAT is gonna squeeze down, yes. Yeah, it's gonna squeeze down. We don't break the resistance. We test it exactly, and we don't have any chance to reverse there. Anyway, AMST is still holding. This one is still going down, so I'm gonna take it from the list. Bong is going down. AFMD is pushing back up. Yes, still have a support here. ACHR holding the support. ASST, nothing. Click is going down. No, it's testing the resistant click. Holy baloney, Walmart is jumping. SMCI pulling back a bit. Tesla the same. Nvidia the same. Palantir, Microsoft, right. SPY is going down a bit. Holy baloney. Anyway, so SMCI doing all right here. Ça va. Let's check this one. Yeah, started to reverse, but I don't like it because we dipped a lot. SMCI doing all right, guys. APLD broke. APLD. Uh, what's going on? APLD. What's going on with this one? Yeah, APLD looking great, but have a resistance now around the 646. So we might pull back here. What a huge bump, man. Just right at the market open. AMST broke the support. Bone is going down a bit. We have a bit of weak market, guys. AFMD looking fantastic, is going to all-time high now. The 25 is the current resistance. AFMD now, it is the one to watch. We have a breakout from this trend. Yeah, look at that. We have a great breakout from this trend. It's getting near resistance around 25. ACHR, we got a reversal from the 12. Nice reversal. IXHL is still nothing. ASST is still nothing. The AVS is kind of about to break the support. Bull is not good for now. Broke the first support. And click is about to click up. Tested the resistance, breakout around the 62. So we might have a breakout now. AMST, yes, tested the resistance and pulled back. Not ready yet. Okay. I think we got some action right now. This is it. This is it, everybody. SMCI in the mean business with Tesla. Both of them mean business. NVIDIA is going down a bit. Yeah, we got unusual buyer for SMCI. We got a critical zone right now to test around the 47. 47 critical zone for SMCI. Yeah, we have unusual buyer around the 45. Exactly, around the 45. Yeah, Tesla doing all right here. Holy baloney, SMCI guys. SMCI doing crazy good now. Yeah, SMCI doing crazy good. We might have the $50 for today. 7%. Yeah, we have a huge buyer right now for SMCI. Huge buyer. We might have the $50 for today. The $50 is coming. 50.70, guys. This is it. SMCI is strong. AMST is still pulling back down. Is hugging the support right now, guys. AMST is hugging the support. We got Bone is hugging the support as well around the 6. AFMD, guys, game over for the short sellers. Yeah, AFMD, guys, is getting near a huge resistance right now around the 53 and the 69. I expect a huge pullback for AFMD after this breakout. The breakout happened around the 25. I'm gonna adjust the support for it. We have the first support now around the 30 cents. Second support should be around the 20. For Bone, guys, I think it's game over here. AMST is still game on if it held the current support, the $3.19. ACHR still on. This one not for now. ASST not for now. CEP, not for now. DEVS, clearly not now. And click is still on. So those are the top stocks for today. And of course, SMCI is pulling back. Tesla is pulling back. NVIDIA is pulling back. Coinbase. We have unusual activity here, guys. Unusual. Let's see if we hold here will be great for SMCI over the 46, 42. So I'm gonna put alert. Shut up, man, shut up. Okay, Walmart, yeah, it's pulling back a bit from this resistance, the 97. Cisco is pulling back as well. Did a really great job a few days ago. Let us check cryptos. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum doing all right. So AMST is still struggling. AFMD guys hit the ultimate target, for my opinion, I think here around the 54. So we might have a pullback now for AFMD after testing this resistance. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Yeah, we might have a pullback now for AFMD, guys, because we got the resistance around the 52. Yeah, expect a huge pullback now for AFMD. Huge pullback is coming. Yeah, AFMD, you should get out right now, guys. It's too risky. It's too risky. It's too risky play right now. Time for a pullback. AMST holding. ACHR started to reverse. Click, pull back. And SMCI is going for a new high. SMCI, guys, if we held the 46.40, we're gonna have the $50. Plain and simple. Let's see here, request a stock. CRWV, $75. I will check. Tesla holding, NVIDIA holding, Palantir, Mara. Yeah, today we might have a huge day, guys, for the market. So let's hope that we're gonna see SMCI see the $50. We need the 60, guys. Ahmed asked about QBT. QUBT, we got a resistance now. It's been tested around 1146. The resistance was around the 980, so we already hit the profit taken. Current support at the moment is the 872. The other target is around the 1345. So I'm gonna keep QUBT here. CRWV is testing the 75 ultimate target. If we broke, we might have another target toward almost then 80, then the 90, then the 100. AMST is still struggling here to hold the support. AFMD testing the 55. It's too dangerous, guys, here for AFMD. Too dangerous. ACHR still jumping, and holy crap. SMCI, come on, man. Why are we waiting? I really hate those kind of trade that we have a breakout and then we have a struggle. You see, we have a struggle here. It's not clean. It's not clean jump. You see, we have a pullback again. Oh, come on, man. We need a bit of time. Eat rice. You are welcome. AFMD, guys, is getting crazy here. But yeah, it's testing the resistance. I will be clear from it, even though I feel a bit FOMO because I already exited from it. So yeah, the pullback is happening at any moment. Yeah, shabby market, exactly. SMCI might change that if we go over the 4750. Yeah, we have a huge struggle. Tesla, we got a bit of, yeah, still fighting here for Tesla. Current support for Tesla is just over this white line and over the 342.60. If we held, we're gonna squeeze up toward the 364. Otherwise, we're gonna flush down toward the 331. So we don't have a decisive market for today. It's not decisive yet. Even for SMCI, we have a huge struggle to go up. Huge struggle, man. You see, is not decided, is not confirmed, is not strong. I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, we're still not decided yet. Wanna be wizard? Nice, great hunt, man. For AFMD, great hunt. AFMD, guys, be careful. It's getting overextended right now. For my opinion, it's getting way too extended. SMCI is still not decided, man. Even after this jump, still trying. Still trying hard. Trying hard. Prophets, he like to watch from the ringside. There is no risk to watch from the ringside. Of course, everybody do it, but if you want to be inside, man, and punch in the face, the reward is heavy. The reward, you can be a champion. But if you like to watch every time, it's not good, man. Life is about taking punches in the face. If you never took a punch in your face, it mean you are soft. Okay, don't say that you're watching, but you already been in the ring, so now you just watch for the other matches. So this is a different story. This is a different story. This is completely a different story. Where's the bulls? Come on, man. Where's the bulls? We need bulls for SMCI right now. We need a bull to take us and give us 8% more for today. Where is the bulls? Bulls. We need the bulls. Come on, man. Anyway, so as we said, guys, SMCI target for today is the $50. If we hit the $50, would be great for the next week. For today, we need to hold over the 45 to confirm that we're gonna have a nice green day. For AFMD, time for a pullback, guys, because the resistance right now is around the 69. AMST is doing fantastic by holding the $3.16. ACHR jumping again after reversing from the 1258. Click got shorted right around the 61. QUBT tested the resistance and have a struggle to break the resistance currently around the 1150. $10 is the support. Those the main event, the main event stocks for today. The main championship fight. You see, AFMD, time for a pullback. Everybody has a plan until they get hit in the face. Exactly that. But guys, if you don't have a plan, okay, if you don't have a plan, if you don't think, even if you hit in the face, you'll never be faced by any problem, because that's why the people who don't have a plan, or the people who have nothing to lose, are the strongest fighter, or like you can't actually compete with them because they don't have anything to lose. So the trick is, even if you want to fight Mike Tyson, have no plan, because of course you're gonna get hit in the face. But if you don't have a plan and nothing to lose, you might get lucky and win over Mike Tyson, you know? So this is the trick, have no plan. Plan before, plan before the fight, but during the fight, have no plan. Just go with it. So this is the trick, is paradox, guys. Life is paradox. You have to have a plan. You have to plan a bit. But during the fight, during the storm, you have to go with the flow. If you're not currently live, live in it, and fights front of you, you don't have any plan, you don't think, you win, because you be present in the moment. You don't overthink it. KDLY Pro, KDLY, let's see, KDLY. KDLY, man, don't try to trade this one, man. I don't like it. Is light on volume, is dead a bit here. I don't like the technical. I don't like the short, man. There is a major seller around the 1450. Current support is around the 965, but it's not good. SMCI, man, playing games on us. Take a lot of time to move. A lot of time to move. A lot. But we gonna give it a bit of time, guys, for SMCI, because if we want to go toward the $50, we need to be patient here, because we missing just 7% here. Yeah, 7 around the $50. I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we broke this support, the 43. Anyway, I think this is it for now, guys. We have to call it early for today, guys. We have to call it early. We might have a pullback for SMCI for a bit. Yeah, APLD hit the target, of course. APLD. Anyway, guys, enjoy the weekend, and make sure to come back next Monday to confirm other level for the stocks. APLD is doing fantastic right now, jumping perfectly. So guys, be careful. The market's doing all right currently because we have a nice reversal. We're gonna confirm the other levels later on our Discord, guys. So have a great weekend and stay alerted. And of course, thank you for watching. Never run after price. Let the price come to you instead. Thank you for watching, and see you next Monday, guys. Next Monday, we're gonna go back to hunt for the market again. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you next week.